Hi, this is Chris from spreadsheetpoint.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can check if a value exists in a range. The first method we're going to use is using the match function nested inside of an if function. And we're going to pretend we're searching for invoice 1001 in this range here. So the first thing you have to do is click an empty cell, type in equals if. You can either add the bracket manually or just click from the drop down here. You can see the first argument you need to add is a logical test, and in this case we're using match. First thing we need to use is a lookup value. So in this case we're using 1001 here. You can type it manually or click a cell that you have the data already. Add a comma. The lookup array is the cells that we're searching, the range that we're searching. Put another comma, and in this case we're looking for an exact match, so we put 0 and a closing bracket. Then for the rest of the if statement, you can add a value of true and a value of false. In this case we're going to put another comma, just type in yes inside of quotes and add a closing bracket. And you just have to press enter. So as you can see, the result is yes. If this value here were to change to something that is not in the range, for example, see the result turns to an NA instead. Next, I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP to do the same or a similar thing. So first thing you have to do is click an empty cell, type in equals VLOOKUP, or click it from the drop down. The lookup value, in this case we'll just use a cell reference again. Click the cell with the value, type a comma, table array. This is where it differs a little bit. You can select both columns or more columns if you have them in your data set. Add another comma. The column index number is next. So since there is 1, 2 columns here, you can choose to return the value from this column or this column. So in this case, we're going to return the value from this column by typing 2. And then we're going to look for an exact match only, so it needs to be false for that argument. Just add a closing bracket and press enter. So as you can see, it's returned the result 555 from this invoice number. It'll do the same thing if we move to a different one. And if there's one that's not in the value in the range, get an NA result. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to check values using the conditional formatting menu. So all you have to do is highlight the cells, click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and if you're looking for an exact match, hit equal to. Okay, and let's say we're looking for 1021. Just type it in, select type of fill you want to do, and click OK. Now that's if you want an exact match, but you can also add partial matches using text that contains. Let's say we want anything that has 100 at the start. I'll just type in 100 and the wildcard just to be sure. Change it to a different type of fill. Click OK. That's it. Hopefully you have everything you need now. Good luck. Thanks for watching.